Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you an app from the central government. It's called Sandesh app. So using which it's an open source app using which you can send messages. It's a state-owned app. So you can see government instant messaging system here. You can put in your mobile number. Then after that you can sign up with that OTP. Then it will sync up all your contacts. So the main purpose of this app is actually if you have any OTP that you need from the government, then those things can be obtained within the app. So there is no need to send short message services. That way, the short messaging services cost can be cut down by the government. So there are millions of OTPs that is sent on a daily basis for various services. So if it is received through the app, then there is a cost saving. So you can see here, I can see the chats. So once I log in, I can see the instant messaging. I can also send any messages to any of my contacts who have the Sandesh app installed in their phone. I also get OTPs from government for various facilities. For example, for getting solar panel rooftop installation, I got an OTP. This OTP will come within the app, not as short message services. In that way, it's more secure also. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.